A good parent is someone who is actively engaged in their child's life, providing not only basic needs like food, shelter, and safety, but also emotional, social, and intellectual support. While there's no one-size-fits-all blueprint for parenting, several key characteristics and practices contribute to being a good parent. These can be broken down into different aspects. 1. Unconditional love and affection. Emotional availability. A good parent provides a secure emotional foundation. They show love and affection regularly, ensuring their child knows they are valued regardless of circumstances. This fosters a sense of self-worth and security. Physical affection. Small gestures like hugs, holding hands, or just being present are vital for fostering closeness and emotional stability. Emotional validation. Listening to a child's feelings without judgment and acknowledging their emotional experiences helps them feel understood. 2. Consistent and fair discipline. Clear expectations. A good parent sets clear boundaries and expectations, helping children understand the consequences of their actions. Consistency, enforcing rules consistently, is key in helping children feel safe and understand that their behavior has predictable outcomes. Appropriate consequences. Discipline should be a learning experience, not a form of punishment. Focus on teaching why a behavior is wrong and how to make better choices next time. Modeling behavior. Parents need to demonstrate the behavior they want to see in their children. Kids learn by example, so modeling respectful communication, conflict resolution, and emotional regulation is vital. 3. Support for growth and development. Encouragement. A good parent fosters their child's intellectual, physical, and emotional growth. This includes encouraging curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking, as well as supporting academic and extracurricular interests. Opportunity and exposure. Exposing children to different experiences, be it through travel, learning opportunities, or exposure to diverse perspectives, helps build well-rounded individuals. Emotional support. Helping children navigate their emotions, teaching them how to cope with stress, sadness, frustration, or joy, helps them develop resilience and emotional intelligence. Respect for individuality. A good parent recognizes that their child is an individual with their own interests, thoughts, and personality. They support their child's autonomy while offering guidance and structure. Empowerment and independence. Encouraging children to take on age-appropriate responsibilities, make decisions, and solve problems independently fosters confidence and self-reliance. Respect in relationships. Parents who model healthy communication, mutual respect, and conflict resolution skills teach these behaviors by example. Positive role models. Whether in the context of family, friendships, or romantic relationships, parents who treat others with kindness, empathy, and consideration provide an example for their children to follow. Understanding of boundaries. Parents should respect their children's boundaries as well as establish their own. This teaches children about mutual respect in relationships. Quality time. Time spent together, whether it's through shared activities, conversations, or just being present, creates lasting bonds. It's not just about the quantity of time, but the quality and focus of that time. Active listening. Listening to a child's thoughts, feelings, and concerns without interrupting or dismissing them helps build trust and communication. Engagement in interests. Taking an active interest in what matters to your child, from their hobbies to their struggles, reinforces the bond between parent and child. Promoting a safe and nurturing environment is essential for a child's growth. Physical safety is a key aspect. A good parent ensures their child's safety by child-proofing the home, making sure they're in safe environments, and monitoring online activity. But, it doesn't stop there. Mental and emotional safety are just as crucial. Children need to feel emotionally secure, which means a home should be free from harsh criticism, threats, or emotional neglect. Additionally, promoting health and well-being through good nutrition, regular exercise, consistent sleep habits, and mental health practices is an important responsibility for any parent. Adaptability and patience are vital traits for effective parenting. Parenting styles should evolve with the child. What works for a toddler may not be effective for a teenager. A good parent is flexible and adjusts their approach as their child grows and develops. And of course, patience and understanding are key. Parenting can be challenging, and a good parent knows how to remain calm and patient during tough moments, like temper tantrums, rebellious phases, or difficult conversations. Teaching life skills is another cornerstone of good parenting. Problem solving is a critical skill. Teaching children how to approach problems with a solution-oriented mindset fosters confidence and independence. Moreover, basic life skills like financial literacy, time management, and organizational skills are invaluable for a child's future success. And let's not forget empathy and social skills. Helping children understand and manage their emotions while also teaching them how to interact with others in positive and healthy ways lays the groundwork for their social development. Being a role model for self-care. Taking care of yourself. A good parent models the importance of self-care, not only for their own well-being, but also as an example for their child. This includes physical, emotional, and mental health practices. Stress management. Children learn how to manage stress and adversity by observing their parents. Parents who handle stress with resilience and calmness provide their children with valuable tools for coping. Encouraging a growth mindset. Embracing challenges. A good parent encourages their child to embrace challenges and learn from failures, rather than fearing mistakes. Positive reinforcement. Instead of focusing only on outcomes, praising the effort and persistence children put into tasks helps cultivate a growth mindset and a sense of intrinsic motivation. Instilling values and moral frameworks. Ethical guidance. Teaching children about fairness, honesty, integrity, kindness, and other core values helps them build a strong moral compass. Spiritual or cultural beliefs. For many parents, introducing their children to their spiritual or cultural heritage is an important part of parenting, whether through religious practice, cultural traditions, or family values. Ultimately, what makes a good parent is a combination of love, consistency, respect, and adaptability. It's not about being perfect, but rather about being present, committed, and genuinely involved in your child's life. Children thrive in environments where they feel safe, supported, and valued, and a good parent plays a crucial role in fostering that environment.